pambansang punong rehiyon,
Abisahin na yan!
Empowerment begins when the constituency will start to co-own everything that the leadership of the government is doing for them. Same principle must be applied sa National Youth Parliament.
NAPSI Youth and Student Sector. Welcome to Ilocos Sur!
Maayong pag-abot sa Ilocos Sur! Yay!
Each of you will step into a space where ideas matter, where your voice carry weight, and where your perspective can influence real change. Come from different regions, backgrounds, and experiences, but you share one important belief: that our country deserves leaders who listen, who think critically, and who work for the common good.
Sana ay mag-enjoy din kayo dito sa aming probinsya. I hope you take time to explore and experience everything Ilocos Sur has to offer.